Hi, it's Dave with Regal Fabric here, and we're in the Boston area, and this video is going to show you how we repair bleach spots on wall-to-wall carpet. This carpet actually belongs to my brother and his daughter, who wasn't supposed to be playing with paints in the house, spilled paint without anybody knowing. She tried to clean it up herself and used soft scrub with chlorine bleach as an added cleaner. As you can see, we've extracted all the soap residues out of the carpet, but the chlorine has taken color out. Solution dyed nylon is not supposed to bleed with bleach or lose its color with bleach, but obviously it has. So we're going to clip to the next video, which is going to show you some of the correction that we did on this piece
video
of wall-to-wall carpet.
And I'm going to give you a brief description of what's going on. Peter has mixed up, according to the colors that the bleach took out, he's mixed up the proper color correcting dyes to put back into the carpet. Prior to this, he's extracted out all the residual detergents, bleach, he's neutralized the chlorine, which takes some time. Now he's ready to add the dyes back in. He's used the process that we have to figure out what percents of the dyes need to go back in. He heats them up very hot. He uses a syringe that you see him there using to put them in, and he goes back and forth so you can see the carpet in all directions. In person, the correction actually looks much better than it does on the video, but he takes his time, he tests one fiber, and then he goes forward and does the whole spot. There were many spots like this that were harmed, but we all think it came out pretty well.
So, as you can see, our spot is almost undetectable. If you have questions, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit subscribe to our channel, and you can be notified if you hit the little bell next to the subscribe button when a new video comes up. We look forward to your questions and comments. Thank you for watching.